topic is diplomacy and functions of diplomacy. So, what is diplomacy? We will define the diplomacy, that what diplomacy actually is. So, diplomacy is basically a term that is widely important for international relations between various nations. Diplomacy is the art of negotiation between various countries. For example, it means in international relations, it forms the basis for peacemaking, economics, culture, trade, wars, etc. Basically, diplomatic relations promotes peaceful atmosphere among the countries at international level, so that the clash, fight, or war condition, threat of war should be abolished. So diplomacy plays an important and vital role to stop the process of war among countries at international level. So then comes the function of diplomacy. Diplomacy is most importantly used to complete a specific agenda. Without diplomacy, much of the world affairs would be abolished, would be finished, would be removed. International organizations would not exist, and above all, the world would be at a constant state of war. It is for diplomacy that certain countries can exist in harmony. So, finally, the fourth function of diplomacy is that diplomacy is the facilitating or enforcing vehicle for the observation of international law. So it is diplomats' job to promote the country's national interests and keep ties with other countries open. Basically, diplomacy, I will tell you a brief history of diplomacy. Modern diplomacy's origins are often traced to the states of northern Italy in the early Renaissance, with the first embassies being established in the 13th century. Milan played a leading role, especially under Francesco Sforza, who established permanent embassies to other cities-states of northern Italy. It was in Italy that many of the traditions of modern diplomacy began, such as the presentation of an ambassador's credentials to the head of the state. So, diplomatic relations play an important role to create the condition of peace, harmony, and love among the countries, rather than preferring some war or any other threatening condition.